Sarah, say morning to the faves. Morning, faves.
My name Sarah is very, 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 very cute. Oh, you're so cute, Sarah.
Ty, you're here in our face.
Mama,
Brother acting a fool with you. Brother acting a fool with you. Yeah. You guys. Last day before vacation.
Yes,
Faves, so I'm coming on to finish up today's vlog real quick. As you guys know that we're going off on vacation, I didn't really do anything much today, which is vlog worthy really, though everything is vlog worthy, but we didn't really do anything much today. So what I'm going to do to end the rest of today's vlog is to give you guys a real quick update on Sarah's 3 months. As you guys know that I do our monthly updates, so this will be her 3 months update to know exactly what is going on with her babe haver right now, because your girl is teething at 3 months old. Yes, you heard it right, Sarah is teething. So that's the first update on her. She's teething. She puts just about everything under the sun that she catches in her mouth, her entire hand in her mouth, my hand, her papa's hand. I bought her teething ring. She will take it, but just for a little while, and then she tossed it. I'll hold it in for her and she'll take it for a while, and then she's over it, and she'll bite her passy. And you guys may or may not know that I am breastfeeding, and yes, she has been biting me, y'all. No teeth biting, still hurt. I didn't experience biting with Tyler because Tyler stopped breastfeeding at 3 months old, so I didn't really experience the biting with him. But with Sarah, she is biting, and it's no joke. I am not looking forward to when she have teeth and biting my boobs. So update 1, Sarah is teething. She's really fussy. Sometimes she will cry non-stop, like she'll cry for like an hour with her mouth bothering her, and she's drooling a lot. So now she have to wear bibs a lot, or I have to just consistently be wiping her mouth because it's drooling. So that's one thing that's going on with her. At 3 months, before Sarah even turns 3 months, at 3 months right now, she's just laughing. She's the happiest baby. She laugh a lot. She laugh with her papa, she laugh with me, and her brother is her best friend. Literally anything that Tyler does, Sarah just laugh, non-stop laughing. So she's a little laugher, just like Tyler was a laugher when he was a baby. Until this day, that boy can laugh. And I think Sarah will be the exact same, because she already showing early signs of that laughing that Tyler used to do. So she's a happy girl and she laughs non-stop. That's how you know when she's not feeling well, because she won't laugh. And when she is, she just laugh at anything that you said. She just look at me and laugh. And she have this thing, I know she's gonna be a papa's girl, because she have this thing where whenever baby's around, she use her eyes and she follow him everywhere. She just follows him, and if he goes behind her, she'll break her neck, put her head like this just to see her papa. So she's definitely a papa's girl. As far as sleep pattern goes for her, as of now, she shows sign of little pattern where she sleep for, I'll say like 4 hours in the night, and then wake up and breastfeed and go back. And in the morning, after we drop Tyler to school, she take an early morning nap. She'll nap for like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, sometimes 3. Then she'll wake up and nap again late afternoon, and then she'll take a little one in the evening, and then she'll go back down about 9:30. But I'm not really worried about her pattern right now, because as you guys know, this is not real time and we're off on vacation. When you guys will see this, we'll be in New York. So when we get back from vacation, I will be definitely focusing on her sleep pattern and sleep and her sleeps, to make sure that she gets it done right. I'll start doing her bath and feed and bedtime routine and all that, to get done a real pattern with her. But right now I'm just letting her do her. She love her play mat. This mat beside me is one of her favorite things to lay down on, and kick and push, and she is rolling, you guys. Literally, when I say rolling, I mean if you put her on her back, she'll roll on her side, sometime on her stomach. She hold her head up, she turn side turn and look at you wherever you go. So you can't put her down unattended anymore, really. She also pushes a lot. Like if you put her straight way, she'll turn sideways all on her own. So she's a strong girl. I guess all those plantain and eggs that I eat, and all those things that I eat when I was pregnant. Anyway, that's just a myth, but she's a strong girl. Is it really a myth though? I don't know. But anyway, she's a strong girl and she's a happy girl. Yeah, what else is going on with Sarah? She's putting on weight. So right now Sarah weighs 12.12 pounds, and when she was born she was 7.7 pounds. So she's a growing girl and she's doing well. If you guys noticed that we pierced her ears when she was a week shy of 3 months, and she literally cried for 2 seconds. When they shot it, they shot both ears one time, one girl on this side and one on the other side. They shot them at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Shot. She cried out, done. That was it. I didn't film the experience because I chose not to, but she was such a trooper. So we pierced her ears and she's so adorable. And what else is going on with Sarah? She's just a cool girl. She get her shots at the doctor, and it's the same thing like when she pierced her ears. 2-second cry and she stopped, and that's it. So Sarah is doing well, and I don't think there's anything else that's really to update you guys with her. She's still breastfeeding exclusively, haven't gotten any formula as yet, and I'm so proud of myself because she's doing well. As far as my postpartum goes, I am now clear to work out, and that is really good. I am not I'll start my journey when I get back from vacation. So everybody who will be looking forward to going on this fitness journey with me, I'll be ready. You know, your girl be ready. So you guys better be ready for when I get back from vacation. But right now I'm going off on vacation. I am on vacation as we speak. And I'll be just enjoying all the food that I want to eat in New York City, in New Jersey, New York City, and all the goodness that I'll be eating in Jamaica. I'll be not leaving no stones unturned, okay? So when I get back from vacation, I'll be just going all in on the fitness and workout and everything. So yeah, come tomorrow, you guys will start seeing real-time videos, real-time vlogs of us in New York. So stay tuned for tomorrow vlog, which will be our first vacation vlog, and vlogs will be coming after that, right until we get back from vacation. Anyway, you guys, love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. And before I shut down this vlog, let me go and show you guys Sarah. You happy that I come and get you? There goes my girl. There goes my girl. Who is that? There goes my little 3-month soul. There goes my girl. Hi. 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 Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi. Look at your face. Anyway, you guys, there goes her drooly mouth. There goes your drooly mouth. There goes your drooly mouth. There goes your teething mouth. And also something that I should have told you guys that very important about her teething update. When she started teething, she started, the first sign that was completely new to me is that she got 2 red marks on each cheek, one on this one, one on this one. It literally looked like she put makeup on, and I was wondering what's going on with Sarah's cheek until I decided that, hey, none of us in the house not gonna kiss her until I find out what it is. But her pediatrician confirmed that is indeed her teething that is causing her cheek to become red. And I was wondering, Lord, what can I use to make it kind of fade away? One of our subscribers sent us a package with a lotion in it that says it's for sensitive baby skin with eczema, and I decided that each time that I make her fresh, I'm just gonna rub a little on each cheek, and it literally works magic. So thank you for sending me that lotion, and I'm gonna show you guys that lotion that I use, and it makes the red mark on her cheek goes away. If you guys can see, it's there just a little bit. Now you have to look real closely to see it, but that lotion works for Sarah and the red things that she had at each cheek. So I'm gonna show you guys. So if you guys have the same experience and want to find something like that to use for your baby, you'll know exactly what it is. It's called Child's Farm Pediatrician Approved, suitable for sensitive and eczema prone skin, dermatologist approved baby moisture. So this is what it looks like. And ever since Sarah was born, it's the lotion that I use on her skin. Look at her mouth. It's the lotion that I use on her skin. So I decided that I'm just gonna touch a little on her cheeks, and it makes the red completely goes away. So if you guys have any baby with eczema or have baby with marks on their skin, I recommend, highly recommend that lotion. And thanks again to the subscriber who sent me that lotion. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave this update right here. See you guys in tomorrow vacation vlog. Say bye, Phils. Bye.